Today, we are very fortunate to have with us Motilaji Oswal, a man who single handedly shaped the entire investment platform of our country. कोई आज 1 करोड़ कमाता है, 100 करोड़ कमाता है, 1000 करोड़ कमाता है. कैसे डिसाइड करना चाहिए कि उसको अपनी कितना अर्जन में से कितना परसेंटेज विसर्जन कर.
When you look at organized way of giving it back, that definitely you can either start anywhere based upon what give you happiness.
ऐसी कोई भी 3 चीज इन प्रायोरिटी ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंस बताइए जो एक एंटरप्रेन्योर को ध्यान रखनी चाहिए इफ ही हैज टू क्रिएट अ सक्सेसफुल वेंचर.
We talk about VGLP as a framework. There are a lot of things, but this fourth thing which I think is very, very important.
Very, very important. Welcome to Rohit's Den. Today we are very fortunate to have with us Motilaji Oswal, a man who single-handedly shaped the entire investment platform of our country. A man who started Motilal Oswal Financial Services Limited from scratch and built it in a behemoth that it is today. A man who diversified from stockbroking to wealth management and investment banking. A man who gave a lot of identity and credibility to investors. A man who got Rashtriya Samman Patra from Government of India. I can go on in his introduction, but what better than to listen from the man himself. Welcome, Motilaj.
Thank you, Rohit. My pleasure.
Thank you. Uncle, मेरा first, this is my favorite question. अंकल, अर्जन के साथ विसर्जन, इसकी प्रबल इच्छाएं हमने देखी है ड्यूरिंग द ईयर्स. ये बहुत बड़ी बात है सामाजिक दृष्टिकोण से, धार्मिक दृष्टिकोण से कि आप अगर अर्जन करते हो तो विसर्जन भी कर सकते हो. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये अंकल कि कोई आज 1 करोड़ कमाता है, 100 करोड़ कमाता है, 1000 करोड़ कमाता है, किस स्टेज पे विसर्जन का फैसला लेना चाहिए, कैसे डिसाइड करना चाहिए कि उसको अपनी कितना अर्जन में से कितना परसेंटेज विसर्जन कर.
देखिए, जैसे मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि लाइफ में व्हेन आई लुक बैक से व्हेन आई वाज यंग लाइक यू, people used to say that there's a time to learn and then there's a time to earn and there's a time to return. But now that is being compressed. Today, if you, I see a lot of young people returning not only in terms of monetary things, but you can return in time in a lot of ways where you can really, I think, give appreciation. Just give a smile. You just really kind of, I think, put kind of, I think, hand on somebody's kind of shoulder, or give your shoulder somebody who can really, I think, put forward a prop to you. So this is part of the Indian culture, especially Jain culture. We come from the Jain culture, and Jainism में तो हम शुरू से I think we have been taught to that at least there's something every day we used to give. हमें चलो खाना बनता तो पहले गाय के लिए होती थी, कुत्ते के लिए होती थी, गरीब लोगों के लिए होती थी, और जो भी लोग आते थे सब देते ही देते थे, और हर घर में होता था ये. सो ये जो डीएलए जो है, आई थिंक इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम देयर, बट यस, when you look at organized way of giving it back, that definitely you can either start anywhere based upon what give you happiness. आपको सुकून मिलता है, कब मिलता है? तो आप देखो अपने जितने में लेकिन बहुत सारे लोग समय देते हैं यहाँ पर. देयर इज ऑल्सो समथिंग व्हिच रियली आई थिंक विशेषण, राइट? कोई समय दे रहा है, कोई अपना पैसा दे रहा है, कोई दोनों दे रहा है, कोई एडवाइस दे रहा है, कोई ज्ञान दे रहा है. सो देने के बहुत तरीके हैं. सवाल क्या है कि एटलीस्ट हाउ डू वी इनकलकेट दैट हैबिट इन मासेस. बॉस,
दो,
विसर्जन कहाँ से आपको आया है, कहाँ से आया है?
इसी यूनिवर्स से आए.
ऐसी यूनिवर्स से आया है. लॉट ऑफ बहुत सारे लोगों ने आपको हेल्प की है कई लेवल, कोई भी लेवल पे, हमारे समाज का, पेरेंट्स, सोसाइटी, फ्रेंड्स, टीचर्स. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ इनविजिबल काइंड ऑफ forces which help you. And many times you feel lucky. Many times you find a lot of ways which you never thought about that. So I think that's where really, and I read a lot. I got inspired by a lot of reading, especially from the global gurus, at how it is giving it back. Spirit easily, I think, now catching momentum across the globe.
क्रॉस द ग्लोब. ग्रेट अंकल. अंकल, आपने अभी जस्ट बुक्स की बात की. यू रीड अ लॉट. सो फॉर माय ऑडियंस, कैन यू सजेस्ट 2 बुक्स व्हिच एवरी एंटरप्रेन्योर इन्वेस्टर शुड रीड?
देखो, see, there are thousands of books. I've read a lot of books, hundreds of books of it.
Just 2 uncle, which is like,
Starting, or you see what topic you want to. Is it about, like, I read about strategy. I read about a lot of autobiographies. I read about marketing. I read about leadership skills. I read about yoga, meditation, your food habits. So it depends upon really, I think, what areas you want to learn something.
एक स्ट्रैटेजी के ऊपर बताइए अंकल।
See, strategy pe, I would say one of the good book which really I have really liked is Michael Porter. Michael Porter, yeah, on competitive strategy.
माइकल बोर्ड या एंड इफ वी वर टू रीड वन ऑटोबायोग्राफी, हम लोग को श्योर आपका भी पढ़ने का कभी मौका मिलेगा, बट अगर वन ऑटोबायोग्राफी इफ यू हैव टू रीड, किसकी पढ़े?
I was very impressed by Sam Walton Walmart's kind of book Made in America, Made in America. So like that's the way how he created Walmart from kind of scratch.
नाइस। अंकल ये इतना बड़ा बेहेमोथ, यू नो, व्हिच इज स्प्रेड अक्रॉस इंडिया, ये बनाने वक्त ऑब्वियसली वी सी द सक्सेस इज देयर टू बी सीन बाय एवरीवन। अंकल मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, एक ऐसा सिचुएशन आपका लाइफ में वेयर यू सफर्ड अ सेटबैक और अ फेलियर इफ आई मे कॉल सो, एंड हाउ डिड यू फाइट दैट फेलियर टू काइंड ऑफ रीच हियर?
देखिए, there's no straight line success. Okay, it's like a cardiogram. When that super is your life, the moment cardio thing straight line, then you are dead. So you learn a lot from your mistakes, from your struggles, and in our business also, we must have faced a lot of setbacks. Maybe it is some small setback, maybe some large setbacks. But biggest setbacks, what we are says is the when the market crashes. I have seen uh, three very big crashes, four actually. I saw Harsat Mehta boom and then bust. I saw kind of global tech boom and bust. I saw the Lehman river of crisis, and then I saw the COVID. So there were big four cycles. Basically, I think marked is correct anywhere between 30% to 70%. Yes. So how do you manage that kind of situation which really comes without any notice?
So, कैसे करते हैं? हाउ डिड यू काइंड ऑफ मेंटेन दैट इक्वानिमिटी? क्या आपके उस समय दिमाग में क्या चलता है?
Which was, see, when we saw the first crisis, it was, no, we never thought that can be like this. But the reality, you go through it and then you just really keep pushing yourself hard. You just remain optimistic. You just making sure that you're putting your best efforts. So optimism is very important. You remain optimistic about life कि यार कुछ तो अच्छा ही होने वाला है, अच्छा ही होगा. In this kind of, I think, world which is being carried away by a lot of million negative headlines, you need to remain positive. You need to be optimistic. You need to think that your future is going to be better than the past.
So is it about having faith and belief in some supernatural force who probably
Yourself as well as, I think, see, you need to think about at least the world is moving forward despite many problems. Right?
correct?
There will be problems, there will be challenges, but as how do you cope up with that? How do you address them and then move forward in life?
So the mindset is to kind of break it into steps by steps, timelines, and then
The mindset is kind of, I think, keep pushing at your best. Or put your best effort. Because result आपके हाथ में नहीं है. Results आपके, right? So, but what is in your control is kind of putting your best effort. You should not feel कि looking back, I didn't put in my best effort, or I should have done this, I should have done that. Yep. So no many regrets. Dinner. So whatever you do your best. Otherwise, don't do it. Okay.
अंकल थोड़ा सा इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशन, ग्लोबल इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशन क्या में चलते हैं? इफ यू लुक एट यूएस मार्केट, द डॉलर इज स्टिल स्ट्रांग. Everybody expected depression in America, but they showed a lot of resilience. Emerging markets are still doing better, and China ka everybody is expecting a growth story. And then we have a domestic situation. So somebody, if he has to invest from now on, वो क्या करें अंकल? क्या ट्रेंड लग रहा है आपको? अमेरिका विल वीकन? शुड वी इन्वेस्ट इन चाइना? आई मीन इफ यू कंपेयर टेस्ला वर्सेस अ बीवाईडी, तो पी मल्टीपल में बीवाईडी बहुत सस्ता है वर्सेस टेस्ला बहुत महंगा है, बट आज भी तो अगर हमको 2025 में कहीं इन्वेस्ट करना है, तो हमको कहाँ है, मतलब वेयर, व्हाट पैरामीटर्स, व्हाट शुड बी द ट्रेंड दैट यू आर फोरकास्टिंग?
See, geopolitical environment is becoming quite volatile and it's challenging and it's changing very fast. That's kind of, I think, big kind of challenge which the businesses and politicians are facing. what happened with Russia, Ukraine, or what happened particularly now. And there are a lot of kind of, I think, friendly being opened here and there. So that's a kind of, I think, remain very big disruptions for the human being, for the humanity itself, for about the business. But I think when these kind of problems come, the world will find the solution. So I remain quite optimistic about that. Having said that, lot of things are happening thanks to this digital disruptions or digital innovations, the power of AI generative capabilities, the machine learning, the data science. So all these forces actually are bringing a lot of new innovation, new products, new ideas, which really is really helping creating lot of opportunities for the right businesses. I see you look at how the Swiggy, Zomato, Zepto has become. They were not there maybe 10 years back. Zepto is just a fourth year kind of story with $5 billion market cap. Absolute. So when there are disruptions, there will be a lot of opportunities for entrepreneurs. So I believe in the power of entrepreneurship, which can really, I think, create huge amount of kind of employment, tax, new product, innovation, productive improvements. Now, global economy, if you look at, I think you will keep seeing some cycle, economic cycles चलता रहेगा. India also have seen it and world over say. So it's difficult to predict the economic cycles, and many times they are driven by sentiments. Sentiments, correct. Many times.
No fundamental, no
But
technical.
result close. मतलब कल जो मार्केट में जो चीज़ अच्छी बोली थी आज वापस रिलीज ऐसे रहते नहीं समथिंग इज गोइंग रॉन्ग समवेयर सो मार्केट्स परसेप्शन आर चेंजिंग वेरी फास्ट एंड दैट आल्सो pushed a lot of people to really take certain decisions. So it's a kind of I think unpredictable word. It's an unpredictable word. It's a very uncertain and complex word. Uh, it's having a lot of disturbing process, but it is also I think giving a lot of opportunities for entrepreneurs and for the countries to not only survive but thrive.
That's right. Nice. अंकल आपने स्टार्टअप स्पेस में ना बहुत इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है और जैसे अभी आपने कहा कि एआई है, ब्लॉकचेन है, जितनी सारी नई टेक्नोलॉजीज आ रही हो, दीज आर मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ रेवोल्यूशनरी चेंजेस इन द लाइफ ऑफ पीपल। बट अंकल एक क्वेश्चन ये भी आ रहा है कि जितनी कंपनीज है बड़ी-बड़ी, इतना एआई पे और इतना स्पेंड कर रही है, आर दे रियली गेटिंग द आरओआई, रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट? हम लोगों की इंडिविजुअल लाइफ में बहुत लाइफ चेंज है। अगर आज चैट जीपीटी आया, तो मैं चैट जीपीटी से बहुत कुछ कर पा रहा हूँ, तो हमारी लाइफ में बहुत चेंज आया। बट जो कंपनी बना रही है, आर दे रियली गेटिंग दैट आरओआई ऑफ एआई? शुड वी इन्वेस्ट, स्टिल कंटिन्यू टू इन्वेस्ट इन स्टार्टअप्स व्हिच आर एआई ड्रिवन और वर्किंग ऑन एआई? कैसे आप स्टार्टअप्स को आज सेलेक्ट करें?
I think they are just the beginning of a big revolution. That's what I feel. What internet did, what internet आया तो लोगों को लगता नहीं कि क्या है पता नहीं क्या होगा but it brought kind of I think revolutions. What mobility brings. So this kind of I think big trends really will change the way the world kind of will live. I think AI is going to be even much powerful than really your internet or your mobility and the other kind of new trends what you see. So I strongly believe in the power of AI, and AI is nothing but kind of a artificial intelligence. At the end of the day, people they actually put all these things what can be automated like a driver's job or like you're seeing the kind of driverless car.
Correct.
Okay, so you see kind of I think somebody cooking something for you, somebody kind of I think cleaning your house, somebody driving your car. This
Robotics can come in.
the nurses kind of I think supporting the patients, the advocates represent the bots are being really I think used for kind of fighting the cases or at least compiling the knowledge and data. So I think because human beings are prone to errors and they're also emotional. But with computers, there are no emotions. And once I think you put in the right logic, then there is no error because that's the way really I think they work. But the emotion also become a big strength when it comes to relationship when we need to understand the human psychology. So AI, you get the best of humans and computers both. And I'm quite optimistic about the power of AI, which is saying that which will change the course of the direction for the world.
Right. अंकल एक ना बहुत कंट्रोवर्शियल टॉपिक अभी चल रहा है एंड दैट केम आउट विद साइंस आल्सो। एक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे था कि चाइना बिकेम द इकोनॉमी बिकॉज़ द मैन पावर्स पुटिंग मैन आवर्स वाज रियली रियली ह्यूज। और अभी आप देखे होंगे किसी ने कहा कि भी यू शुड वर्क ऑन संडेज ऑल्सो, किसी ने कहा स्टॉप स्टेरिंग एट योर वाइफ एंड कम टू ऑफिस एंड स्टार्ट वर्किंग। ये कैसे, इज इट बैलेंस और इज इट, व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि मतलब हम लोगों को 90 घंटा का वीक करना चाहिए, लाइफ में बैलेंस आना चाहिए? व्हाट इज योर थॉट ऑन दैट?
See, you can't remain productive. See, they are kind of routine work. You can even work for like 8 hours a day. And but when it comes to creativity, when it comes to kind of I think uh, taking decisions, when it comes to really I think analyzing subjects, you really get exhausted. So I think this 5 days work or 8 to 10 hours is enough for people to kind of I think work and bring the best in this. So what matters is not number of hours, the productivity, but what really you deliver end of the day. What is expected of you to deliver, and you really I think over deliver than your expectation is. So this whole debate of number of hours versus productivity, in my view, it is more about productivity and it's about output rather than the inputs.
अंकल, एट सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम हमने देखा है आपको कि जब भी आप मेंटली डिस्टर्ब रहे या डाउन रहे, यू ऑलवेज गॉन टू अ मंदिर, probably made your prayers, logas का पाठ किए हैं, and in the whole vibes, from that you've come back stronger to make a decision making. So how important is spirituality in one's life?
No, I think this is very, very important. Your physical fitness, your mental fitness, we kind of, I think, absolutely be not enough. End of the day, the power of, a power of spiritual power is very, very important. If you want to, really, I think, have peace in your mind, easy, right? Because the this environment is quite competitive, it's quite stressful. Now, how do you make sure that you find some time for yourself? You reflect on something and something I think keep you grounded. That's where I think most of the successful has gone to meditation or subconscious.
So I mean, it is very important to kind of remain rooted.
Yeah, you connect with yourself.
You connect with yourself. That's the best thing I think is important. Until my last question would be कि हमारे इतने सारे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं जो ग्रो करना चाह रहे, जो प्रॉब्ली स्टार्ट करना चाह रहे, ऐसी कोई भी 3 चीज़ इन प्रायोरिटी ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस बताइए जो एक एंटरप्रेन्योर को ध्यान रखनी चाहिए इफ ही हैज़ टू क्रिएट अ सक्सेसफुल वेंचर। 3 थिंग्स।
What framework I had been using in my company, and when I talk to a lot of people in your company, we talk about VGLP as a framework, and it's very simple. V stand for values.
सर come again?
V stand for values.
V stand for values.
How do you, I think, inculcate the value, ethics, integrity, transparency? These are the values. It's really, I think, build reputation for you. Well, that's very important. Okay. In the world which is full of greed, which is full of kind of, I think, lot of malpractices, the people I've seen, the organization which are built on ethics and integrity, they go far, far ahead of other people's. There are no shortcuts in life. That's what I believe in. That's what I practice. Second thing is the G, the growth mindset. Growth mindset. How do you raise your aspiration? Life throws so much opportunities. As I said, the one entrepreneur is the kind of I think trillionaire, another is billionaire, another is millionaire, another is just struggling. But your aspiration, your growth mindset has to be absolutely
There and consistently.
real for your own kind of I think success. Third is the learning mindset, the VGL said. How do you learn on every day? So things are changing so far, so fast. This kind of I think world where global world, geopolitically kind of disruptive world, so many new innovation, technologies, products, regulations, customer kind of I think expectations, competitive forces. So you need to have, I think absolutely, you have to spend a lot of time for reading and learning something. Well, what you were, even yesterday, you are different. Well, something new has happened today or something different is happening. So how do you cope up? Not only cope up, but how do you move ahead of your competitors or about converting your own business? You need to absolutely have the learning mindset, and learning means you have to also need to be ready to unlearn. Learn. What has worked for you yesterday is a beautiful book by Marcel Goldsmith. What got you here will not take you there. Correct. Regarding what got you here, what has worked for you may not work. Some things will work, but everything is not going to work. So the yesterday's successful formulas may not work tomorrow. So that's the learning mindset is very, very important. The curiosity, or what I call it, you need to have a mindset of a lifetime student. And last is the P, that people skills. How do you work with people? Well, you have to play organizations. Building is you work with people, and not only your employees but your customers, your distributors, your kind of regulators, the government. So working with people is very, very important. So managing the people, or the people kind of having networking skills, you say, or interpersonal skills, so say they are very important. So for me, if you want to create a very large successful organization, these four things, there are a lot of things, but this fourth thing which I think is very, very important.
Very, very important. Beautiful concept, VGLP. I think this is straight out of MBA from Motilalji Oswal. Thank you so much, Uncle, to be with us in this podcast. Thank you. We learned a lot. I'm sure we'll good future get all the time. All the best to you. Thank you. Thank you, Uncle. Thank you so much.